Rain a fall, people. Rain a fall. But they have to talk about Donna. Nice cake them. You see me? Cake season open up very shortly. Take up your order, people. Take up on the order. You see me? Place on the order. Whether you're from Jamaica or America or Canada, anywhere at all in the world and thing, cake is available. People, wanna see how far Donna gone to now. Wanna see how far Donna thing get global now. Donna cake them the far the people. Donna cake them the all the way to America, Canada, England. Yes, man. Approved by the Bureau of Standard, people. So you know, so I'm not normal and thing, guys. So Planka Boss, big up yourself. Big up yourself anywhere in America you're there. Yes, guys, poster out. You see me? For the cakes them, whether you're the America or Jamaica, it's like a worldwide shipping. You see me? Donna do our thing. Donna do this for years now, people. No joking about that. I wonder what it so. I want the mad. Mad I try to run competition with Planka Boss and drop off a shape. But now look upon her. But visit tinachincakes.com. She need a conk in her head and thing. People, Planka Boss, cake them taste nice. You see me? No joking about that, guys. I make sure I drive go get my one when the time is right. You see me? Yeah, people. I know at Christmas time, we have to eat up the cake and drink up some cereal. You see me? Don't not forget the water. You know, just enjoy yourself, people, because we have one life to live, you know. Yeah, man. We have one life to live, and we have to live it to the best of our ability. You see me? And once I done do the thing, I have to support our people. I have to support Planka Boss, nice, clean cake them. So all what about yam bad cake, only need to go sit down and go one side because no phone go chat bad when Donna start distribute cake. No phone go sit down on the live. And the mouth go drain water. And all you can do is comment some negative comment because you are going on. You see with Uno not give nobody no credit. You see me? But guess what? Donna no want no credit from none of Uno. Cake is on the way. Here, people. Donna cake season officially start soon, guys. So you know that going to people. It a nice. Planka Boss really work hard. Yeah, man. One thing Donna people. She work hard for what she want. She not sit down with anybody for getting at all. So all what Donna for work American thing, them a go vex. When them see the business woman still have to wear the cake, them and all kind of things in America and Jamaica, them a go sweat. Them can't go believe it, say Donna do that. Yeah. Them not go believe it, because guess what now? Them not believe in a Planka Boss. Them want to go down. All one work of them own cake war and thing. And them are going to be the one go down because guess what? Them are not clean and them want to tear down Planka Boss business and it ain't gonna work and thing. Because Planka Boss people them loyal to her. Yeah, man. One thing with Planka shop, you know, the people them a support her, loyal to her. Them not leave her out. Them not like some of them with the Panty girl page. We just come watch a couple seconds and gone. Them people with the Pandana page, them stick forever. So you know, it's like our cake season time now. The people them are gonna fill down her hard, they gonna full up. Yeah, man. Yeah. People might get left out. So you better get to know order early, people. Get to know order for the name bad cake. And what you want to call it. How do I say Donna call cake? Yeah, man. Get to know order, man, and come support the thing, man. Make Donna thing grow, cause, you know, she do all the hard work and thing in the past, and now she reap the success. No found member say Donna build so much house in Jamaica, you know. Yeah, man, she built so many houses in Jamaica, and some of them people there, some of them, you know, ungrateful, and some of them give thanks feet and thing, people. So, you know, we have to just accept the fact that, yo, Planka Boss, they have to stay, and she's doing a wonderful job. And you see, once you do a wonderful job, I have to support you and tell you, yo, keep on do your thing. You see me? That's one thing with Donna, you know. She always make sure it's a fair thing. Nice and spicy and wonderful. You see me? And the haters, them, they on social media, hungry. You see me? So Donna, sell as much cake as you can. Sell as much cake as you can, Donna. Yeah, man. Sell as much cake as you can. Because guess what? Them not happy for you. Them not want to see you prosper. Yeah, man, them not want to see you go forward. Them want the worst for you. Because some of them not gone away. Some of them don't want you sell no cake. Some of them don't want you do the business. Some of them want you come work for them. Yeah, man. Some of them want you in the same position like them, guys. No joking about that. I love how Donna make sure so she take her cake business very, very serious. Yeah, man. I love how Donna make sure say, yo, our cake business is number one priority because I get something. Donna keep bringing a lot of money. Yeah, because Donna do her thing very professional. Yeah, she do her thing really, really nice people. And people come out and support her. People love her for her cake. You see me? People there for her and check for her and make sure say, yo, she alright. You see me? So it's a good look. Money I have to make. Enough people don't want to see that I make the money because through them say she dep on social media more time than bad mind her and thing. And then they know say, yo, Donna do the thing. Donna keep the thing going. Or enough of them I keep the thing leaking. But it's in a life, people, you know, have to appreciate good things. Yeah, man, people have to appreciate good things. If you don't appreciate good things, when the bad come, you got to run that and thing. You see me? But it's happy if you know say, yo, the time come again now where cake season there again. Cake I go sell, money I go make, and people are go nice again. You see me? And then of course, Planka Bass, I got touch back down in Jamaica again. And you know that go again the people. And more blessings. Sidonia come around and many other people come around come visit. You know the whole thing gonna people. Food have to eat, money have to make, and life have to live. That are the greatest thing, you see me? So it's a good look, trust me. It's a wonderful look for Sidonia Planka Bass do our thing. And the Planka team must support our guys and you know cake us off. As we said before, getting no orders in early people cause don't make it miss on you know. Cause one thing Donna keep them in them sweet you know, man. You see me? Them sweet and nice no people. Yeah man, sweet and nice. When you eat one size you want to go for the next size again. Yes man, that is it. Enough of them try bake it then and feel. Enough of them try the ingredients that Donna use and feel. Enough of them try for getting a Donna ingredients book and feel. You see me? That's why so much hate with on social media, you know, because them want to go up on top. And them not pass the level of baking yet. Certain things in them qualify yet. Them need a kitchen for themselves. Them not have a store for themselves. Nowhere to have for themselves. More than social media them have for themselves. And all them do more time from day to day. It's come cause problem on social media. And how can you say you're a big baker and you have a house where you can be a cake or you know have like a room, you know, so a baking room this. Why them people are still upon social media and then them want people feel sorry for them when them are the one and not do the right thing. Them are the one when I want to change. Them are the one we always behave unruly. When somebody behave themselves, them are the one that always be unruly and try to be the bad one. You see me? In again, nothing at all, yo. You see me? Because in the days still, you know, you can't force nobody to love you. You see me? And some of them people up on social media, all them do is just show off them blast itself. What them have from what they not have, and them have not one dry shit on the backside, people. Social media the place where people always come out and tell people a lie. Somebody will come out and tell the truth. You see me? But when we know for certain and think people, T-girl can't recover from this. She cannot recover from this. That's why she hide now on social media. Say hide from the whole public, guys. You see me? But people, best upon yourself, yeah man, best upon yourself. Yeah, sip some water, guys. You see me? Yes, man. So, you can watch and see how the cake season are go on. You know, it's a good look. You know, Planka Bass to the flipping world, money have to make, life have to live, and things have to do. You see me? Because that is life. You have to make money and live life and be happy. Can't be like some of the haters that are sad and hungry. You see me? Then I have to make our money and be alright. Because she work hard, feed people. And big up to everybody who done a help out. You see me? Big up to all the real people that out there that help out. To the people that still carry false news and talk up some things about Trishana and them people, them as a call upon name and all that kind of madness. You see me? Then I just stick to the thing and just do our thing and make sure it's fair. Make sure everybody alright around our guys. Yeah man, it's a good Mountain View nice again. Yeah man, cake coming up. Guys, as I said before, getting the order. And I believe it posted on Teaching You My Cooking Skill. Then have Facebook page. Check over this so you can see the posters them, and I believe you can probably check in our community and our YouTube channel, guys, and let me know if you guys see it there, so you see me. But all the best, yeah man, all is all your best is good enough. Best up.